let's go through Spanish, the Lord's Prayer step by step. So this is going to be found in the Spanish language. Juegos de instrucción. Instruction games. We're going to go to aspectos culturales. And then we have la oración del Señor, the Lord's Prayer. Then we have the first one. We have different types of instruction games you can play with this. But let's learn step by step. Aprende paso a paso. Paso a paso, step by step. Let's start by reading it, and then we will move to just practice to see. We're not trying to memorize this right now. We just want to review it, and then the instruction game will help us to practice. Eso Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino. Hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día y perdona nuestras ofensas como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. Y no nos dejes caer en la tentación y líbranos del mal. Oh, that's not here, but por Jesucristo nuestro Señor. Okay, porque tuyo es el reino y el poder y la gloria por todos los siglos. Amén. Alright, so that's the one version of the Lord's Prayer in Spanish. It could be different based on the different versions of the Bible. Some of the phrases might be slightly different. So let's go through. Let's just start. See what we can do. Step by step. Paso a paso. Alright. So this first one here is just it's just matching 1-to-1, and then we have the words and phrases, and then we have flashcards beneath that can help guide us if we need the reference. But let's go through and just try to match and get through the matching here and go to the next problem. Let's see. So, y perdona nuestras ofensas, danos hoy, we del nos santificado se. Okay, no. We'll see that matches right away. Nos. I can see that. And dia. I see dia is day. Padre. I just see padre is father. Today, hoy. I see that. Okay. Santificado. That just popped out. I can see that matched. La la. La la. Two. Estás. That looks like it matches. Okay. Nombre, name. Two. del, del. And looks like I'm picking the words first because it's a little bit easier to get those out the way, I guess. Nosotros, danos reino, reinos kingdom, danos, danos, give us, nosotros, we, danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Give us this day our daily bread. Y no nos dejes caer en la tentación, and lead us not to temptation. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Hágase, Señor, tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Ok, y perdonas nuestras ofensas, nuestras deudas. Así, porque see, I'm used to saying something different. Perdona nuestras ofensas. This is a little bit different than what we just read. Forgive us of our trespasses. Okay, bam. Okay, sanctificado sea could be. Oh, okay, now we gotta match following to name, nombre. Oh man. Oh, we not just match. We gotta fill in the words. We have the flashcards if we need help. So nombre. And okay, and forgive us of our trespasses as we forgive those trespass against us. Y perdona nuestras ofensas, y perdona nuestras, así ofensas, ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. Hágase tu voluntad. Aquí en la tierra, hágase tu voluntad en la tierra. En la tierra. Amén. To nosotros reino y no nos dejes caer en la tentación. No, same thing again. Nosotros reino us, you leave alone, dejes, and danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Okay. Nuestro hoy, today, nuestro. This is learned step by step, so it's pacing. De each, cada día, oración, Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo. I'm going to finish up soon. Que estás, alright, now we got matching, thy kingdom come. Santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino. Thy kingdom come. Hágase tu voluntad. Thy will. Líbranos del mal. Tu name, nombre. y perdona nuestras ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. Give us, danos. Alright, I'm going to stop there, and you can see step by step we're learning, practicing. And then I could, there's other aspects I can go through deeper in the games, instruction games. And go from there. Alright? That's it. Bye bye.